Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today, we're addressing a topic that can have serious implications for businesses: shareholder conflicts of interest. Conflicts of interest among shareholders can disrupt decision-making, damage relationships, and even put the company's future at risk. Understanding the legal framework and how to manage these situations is essential for protecting both your business and your personal interests. A conflict of interest arises when a shareholder's personal interests clash with their duty to act in the best interests of the company. This can occur in various ways. For instance, when a shareholder stands to benefit from a transaction that may not be advantageous to the company, or when they hold competing roles in another business that affects the company's operations. The law recognizes these situations as potentially harmful and imposes duties on shareholders, particularly those with management responsibilities, to act honestly and in good faith. So, what does this mean in practice? Shareholders have certain rights and responsibilities, and when a conflict arises, they must be transparent and declare their interests. Failing to do so can lead to legal consequences, including claims for breach of fiduciary duty, and in some cases, personal liability for losses suffered by the company. Even minor conflicts, if ignored, can escalate into serious disputes that threaten both the company and shareholder relationships. Imagine a scenario where two shareholders are also directors of a company. One proposes a contract with another business in which they have a financial interest. If the shareholder does not disclose this interest, it may be seen as a breach of duty, and the other shareholders could challenge the transaction. The law allows for remedies, including the possibility of reversing the contract or seeking compensation for any losses caused. At Blackstone Solicitors, we often advise clients on how to identify and manage conflicts of interest. Early recognition and transparency are key. Shareholders should disclose potential conflicts to the board or other shareholders, and, where necessary, abstain from voting on matters where their personal interests could interfere with the company's best interests. Clear communication and proper documentation can prevent disputes and maintain trust among stakeholders. It's also important to note that not every conflict of interest is unlawful. Some conflicts can be managed appropriately through disclosure and agreement. However, when conflicts are ignored or concealed, they can lead to shareholder disputes, claims of unfair prejudice, or derivative actions where a shareholder brings a claim on behalf of the company against the individual in breach. These claims can be complex and costly, making professional legal advice essential. Managing conflicts of interest isn't just about compliance, it's about good corporate governance. Companies that establish clear policies and procedures for handling potential conflicts are better equipped to prevent disputes and protect their reputation. Shareholders and directors who act transparently and ethically strengthen the company and reduce the risk of costly legal action. In short, shareholder conflicts of interest occur when personal interests clash with duties to the company. They can disrupt business operations, create disputes, and expose shareholders to legal liability. Proper disclosure, transparency, and adherence to corporate governance principles are essential to manage these conflicts and protect both the company and its stakeholders. At Blackstone Solicitors, we provide expert guidance on shareholder conflicts of interest and related disputes. Our team helps clients understand their rights and obligations, implement effective governance practices, and resolve conflicts before they escalate into legal action. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors. And if you're facing a shareholder conflict, contact our team today for expert advice and practical solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.